So this morning I was at the barber. Now I'm in the office preparing myself because I'm flying on Thursday. I'm flying to Spain, to Mallorca, having a client's job there, and then I'm visiting the family, to Hamburg, visiting the family. Then I'm coming back to Dubai, having a lot of work and shooting here in our new studio. I just prepared yesterday the curtains to check and make everything ready for the week after then when I'm coming back. And then I'm flying to Poland because my cousin is going to have a wedding. So yeah, let's go.
Bienvenidos a Madrid, España. Welcome to Madrid in Spain.
So I've just landed in Madrid, having to stay over for an hour or two, and then we're going to fly to Palma de Mallorca. Mr. Lauren, where are you right now here?
At paradise, bro.
In paradise?
I'm in paradise. Going to pick up the car now. I'm going to pick up Paul. Then driving to the first villa, Nova One. A couple of video shoots. Go to Blanes One. Look at the property, how it's been developed and all that. Finishing off the tour at Aurora and Solara One. And yeah, we're excited.
Dizem que faz mal ao coração. Não há jovem nem criança. Faz mal à solidão.
So we're done now with the complete shooting for today. And tomorrow we have the investment event, and tomorrow we have the investor event. And now Germany plays versus Spain. And we're in Antras.
Lauren, what's the status, bro? Very intense.
They've got to score 94th minute.
They're going to score 94th and 95th minute, I'm telling you. Or now. Or now.
Drei Sekunden vorher.
End of the day, what's happening?
It's good. Just heading home now. Watch the football. Germany lost. Well, it was a loss, but tomorrow is more important. England is playing, so let's see.
I thought the investor event, hello.
It's good. It's a nice ice cream.
Why the hell would you get ice cream?
Because I love it. I love it. Nice Italian gelato here.
No, why would you not ask us? Alright, let's go.
Because you were busy filming.
Ja, sehr gut. Jetzt hier hin. 50 Leute letztes Jahr. Dieses Jahr ist es 2 Monate.
So right now we have the investor event and showing them the villa and all the projects. How's it going, Lauren?
Very well. Great tour. Currently at Blanes One. It's an amazing event. Until now, I think. That's it. Cut.
Paul, how's it going?
Good, very good. Just finished the second property for today and just heading to the third and fourth.
So
So Paul, where are we right now?
We just finished our tour of all the different developments that we have on the shelf or in construction, and we're now at the beautiful restaurant at Campino, and yeah, just about to have lunch with everyone.
Amazing.
Exciting. Yeah, very hungry today.